Up for auction is a crimping coil. It's gone through minimal inspection, but we are going to show you that it is turning on and operating. For any future items, please click and subscribe to the bell on the bottom right hand corner. This machine is very easy to use and it is foot operated. You can adjust your crimp. It goes as small as 6 millimeter all the way up to 50. Right now we have 8s. You can adjust the foot size. You can adjust your crimp size. Now I'm going to show you that they are cutting and crimping, as you can see. It is crimping. Do your other side for you guys. You can see it did cut and crimp. On both sides. So again, up for auction is a crimping coil.